What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, I'm going to be opening up my last Evolving Skies Elite Trainer box. And then I'm going on to the next set. And the next set is, well, first, happy birthday to Pokemon. Pokemon Celebration was a few days ago. Actually, 2 days ago. And is their 25th anniversary, and they made a 25th anniversary set, which I have on the way, and I will be opening that on the channel. I'm really excited. I did open a box off camera just to take a look at it. I was a bit antsy, but I will be opening that. But before we get started, like and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, so that way you can see when I post more videos and stuff. But let's get started. Still hoping to pull the alternate arts. I still haven't pulled not one alternate art. Any alternate art would be nice. And then still searching for that Rayquaza. But anything else, that would be pretty much it. I did pull some evolutions from other boxes, but I haven't gotten any crazy card yet. Hopefully we can get it in this video. Here's the code card for anyone that plays it online, and the sleeves. Cool. Oh, what the heck? The bag was open. That's weird. Alright, cool. Well. Alright. Let's see. It should be 8 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's get it. Can we get any of the evolutions or alternate or Rayquaza? Something, please, because I haven't gotten anything really. And this is my last Evolving Skies, really. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get it. 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 Psychic Energy. Feel Focus. No. Alright, there you go. Skip Bloom. Elemental Badge. Hippopotamus. Leo. Temple. Oh. Eevee. Cutify. Mareep. And Threevil. Regular, rare, non-hollow. Alright, next pack. Next pack. Next pack. Oh, also next week in my area, there is a Collecticon. Here's a code card. It's some convention that's nothing, well, collector stuff, like cards, sports cards, like items like action figures, pops, all types of like collector stuff, but mainly I think it's mainly like cards. And I'll be doing my first vlog for the channel next week. That'll be pretty fun. And nothing, I'm really excited to go there, you know, spend all my money, you know. And then PSA is gonna be there. Apparently, it says on the Instagram that they're taking submissions. I'm hoping to submit some cards. I've been wanting to submit for a while because PSA has been shut down. Well, yeah, they're kind of shut down, but like they're still taking submissions. But it's $200 a card. That's a lot. I got $200 for each card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, hopefully, I don't know what their rates are, but I hope it's like the regular $13 a card. That's what it should be, because I have some really good cards that need to be graded. And I never graded cards before. I never sent them to PSA, but we'll see how it goes. But definitely excited for next week for holographic Raichu. All right, we got a pull. One of my 3 packs in. Cool. All right, we got something, but nothing what we're looking for. But yeah, gonna vlog, buy some packs, open it up on the spot. And I'll be going with my cousin. You'll see him in the vlog if he wants to be in it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Shelgon, Lumbre, Cragonal, Nickit, Dweeble, Rufflet, Roggenrola, Pyroar, and Dragozolt V. Alright, have not pulled this card yet. Cool. Dracozolt. I'm not even saying it right. Dragonzolt V. Alright. Another hit. Still not what we're looking for. But it's something. Dang. Why are these so hard to open? Alright, there we go. Alright. Oh, I saw something. Okay. Here's a code card. Ooh, is it focused? Is my phone not focusing? Has it not been focused? Oops, sorry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we saw something, but I don't know what it is. I hope it is an alternate. One of the evolutions. Rimbombe, Zora, Tentacool, Hoppip, Dino, Mareep, Digging Gloves, and a Dragonlodon VMAX. Alright. Haven't pulled this card yet either. Alright, some new cards, because I don't like getting duplicates, and especially how big this set is. So far no duplicates of V's or VMAXs, but it is still not what we're looking for. And I have, oh man, I got 2 packs left. Okay, there's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's get it. Electricity, Tentacool, Rubber Gloves, Float There, Lillipup, Bagon, Litleo, Lotad, Teddy Ursera, Cutie Fly, and Seismitoad regular rare. Alright. 2 packs left. And this will be my last Evolving Skies, unless I just see it randomly on a shelf. Maybe I'll get it. I don't know. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Energy, Herderer, Spirit Mask, Pallet-Toad, Hitmonchan, Lotad, Sableye, Teddy Ursa, Mareep, Chirpus, woo! Excuse me, my bad, it's early in the morning, I'm recording this. And a Milotic regular rare. Alright, y'all. Wow. Last pack. Last pack of my Evolving Skies ETB. This is it. The final countdown. Can we get something amazing, please? Please. Something. code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, y'all. This is it. Dream Ball. Xena's Resolve. Hippowdon. Hitmonchan. Fletching. Tentacool. Pikachu. See that? Flaffy. And Scoutland. Regular wear. Wow, we did not get much. Wow, this is pretty much it, really, in the holographic. Wow, this set did not do any good to me. Cool. Well, that's it for Evolving Skies. I'll see you on the next video with celebrations. The pull rates are actually pretty good with this set. A lot of commons, and it's reprints, a lot of reprints of some old school stuff. Well, I'll see you on next week in the video. Please like and subscribe. Bye!